Hi, this is Jeannie from Trendy Tree, and today I'm going to show you some pictures of my Christmas tree in my house. Now, it's not anything as elaborate as the trees that you've seen from Carrie's Trendy Tree store, but we downsized this year, and I did used to have a 10-foot tree, and that's on display in the retail store, so I had to have a new tree. So I chose a 7-foot flocked, some kind of a pine tree. And the thing I like about the tree is in a pot. It comes in 2 pieces. And anyway, it didn't have any lights on it, so I had to put lights on it. But this is a picture of the tree, and I decorated it with flowers. I used just a lot of red and green. And I'll show you some of those flowers a little more close up. It's kind of like a ceramic or stone pot that it's in, so I don't have to use a tree skirt or anything. I used several different poinsettias. Some are red and green velvet, and then was like a red and black. And one of the things that I liked was these red poppies that I used. They were kind of a bright red. My reds are kind of different shades, but the bright red poppy has those big green pods on it, and I really like that. I used some boxwood branches with red berries. You can see some dried hydrangeas that I painted, and there's the red-green velvet poinsettia and poppies, and then this pearl branch that's glittered. There's some white hydrangeas, which was just a bush that I separated, and that's that holly-like berry with glitter on the leaves, and then just a white glittered leaf pick. All the items that I used on the tree, of course, came from Trendy Tree, and there's a link to the blog post in the description, so you can look at that and go to the blog and see all the SKU numbers. I carried the same thing to my mantle. I used 3 different poinsettias and it was a basic cedar garland, and then I added in some extra greenery. I used the same greenery that I used on the tree, some boxwood, red berries, and just some lights, and we have those lights on the website too. They're just on a very thin little wire, so they just, really show up good. They're LED lights. But I wanted to do my decorations kind of simple, and when you get to be my age, everything that goes up, you have to take it down. So I kind of went for simplicity this year. I'm not decorating for the grandchildren anymore. It's different, when the grandkids are small. But this year, I just decorated with the things that I liked. And I just went with a fresh look using basic red and green. So I hope you enjoyed watching it. If you have any questions, just leave me a comment and check out the blog post. All these items are still available on the website, and the SKU numbers are posted in that blog post. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye now.